Qué hermosura the beautiful weather, guys, right now. Walking tour of the Philippines, guys. Hot the like button. Join the channel memberships. Become a compita of the channel, guys. Become a compita to support the channel. Ta-da! This weather is nice. Really nice. Aquí andamos, but man, it's super nice right now. Really nice weather. Even though it's starting to pour down, guys. We're about to get some crazy weather right now. The mountain, look at the mountain. I'm gonna show you the mountain right there. Right ahead of you. But yeah. Pero aquí es como está todo. Ya menos, a ver, viviendo en las Filipinas, ya menos se aplaca la agüita, ¿eh? ¿Sí o no? Live in a mirror. Yeah, everything looks nice. Todo está, pero hermoso ahorita. Qué hermosura, guys. It's so beautiful right now. It's so beautiful. Da, da, da. Pack the like button. Join the channel membership, guys, to see more content. Become a compita of the channel. Ta-da-da. That's a nice little multi-cab right there. Adasa Winters. Yes, it's raining here. It's super rain. Right here in Situbo. Shout out to Adasa Winters for joining the live. Pack the like button, guys. Join the channel membership and become a compita. Become a compa of the channel. Beautiful rain. Beautiful rain. Beautiful weather. Nothing better than this beautiful weather. Welcome everybody to the live. Pack the like button. Double tap the live. Double tap the live, guys. Wow.